could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same.
Right, here comes 39141. I don't think it's supposed to stop here though, I think it's passing. From Birmingham Street to London Euston. And then there goes my train, the late running 1321 London Northwestern rail service to Northampton. Running about 10 minutes late because of waiting for a member of train crew. It was connected to 350-126. Right, there goes the 1330 London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham Street via Northampton and Coventry. (352.52s) on the front. And 352.63s on the rear. Right, there goes 391.35 working the late running 1313 Avanti West Coast service to Edinburgh via Birmingham New Street and Wallington Banquet. Well, we have 391.51, not sure what the other one was. Because 600055 DC Rail Freight, Thomas Bernardo. Right, there's 351.26. And 352.49 to London Euston from Northampton. That's the Avanti service going to London Euston from Glasgow Central. I think that was 390.050. And then here comes 352.33 terminating in from London Euston. It is connected to 350 240. Right, here comes 390 137, the Commonwealth Games Express. If you don't know why I'm saying the Commonwealth Games Express, it's the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, and Avanti are running one extra train an hour to Birmingham, but they're proper treating you with that, aren't they?
And Northampton. This train
Here comes
has
the
8
1356
carriages.
under Northwestern Rail service to Northampton. 350 374 on the front. Connected to 350 247.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1353.
Right, there goes 390 118 to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly, working the 1358 service.
Platform 4 will be 1353 London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston, Buckinghamshire and London Euston. This train has 8 carriages.
Well, they weren't wrong when they said it was full and standard on the announcement, because it is. Crikey. I wouldn't want to be standing all the way to bloody London, I'll tell you that one for sure. Right, here comes the 1350 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly via Stoke-on-Trent. 390 044. This is running 13 minutes late. Right, here, there goes the 1353 London Northwestern Rail service to London Euston. 350 129 is at the front, with 350 234 at the rear. I can hear a Voyager behind. And there's the Voyager. Ooh, it's a 5-car Voyager. I haven't seen one of them in a long time. Usually it's 10. I believe this is because it's been on a Chester London run. Right, there goes 2211 and 118 going to London Euston from Chester. Plenty of people on board. Progress 390 119 to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston.
Stand behind the yellow
Right, here
line.
comes a freight from Wembley to Tunstead. 66 603. Right, here comes the 1413 Avanti West Coast service to Blackpool North via Birmingham New Street. It is worked with 390 049. Right, we've got 350-257. This is the 1413 London Northwestern Rail service from Crewe to London Euston. Connected to 350-254. Here comes the 1419 London Northwestern Rail service to Crewe, right in Neaton and Stafford. And we've got 350-262 on the Northampton service. On the back of the Crewe service is 350 102, and on the back of the Northampton service is 350 125. My goodness, that was a lot to say within the space of 30 seconds. Right, there goes the late running 1402 Avanti West Coast service from Edinburgh to London Euston. Knocking on the door, running 20 minutes late due to apparently a fault with level crossing barriers. City of Bangor 221 116 is on the front, and then 221 106 is on the rear. Right, there goes the 1422 London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston from Northampton. 350 106 is on the front, and then 350 109 is on the rear. Right, next stop's going to be the return of the Commonwealth Games Express, the additional Avanti service to London Euston. I'm going to stand back a bit. From to London Euston from Birmingham Northampton, it should be 390 157. Right, we've got a freight train running from Lewis Street to London Gateway. 66953.
Industrial action, there will be no services on Saturday the 30th of July.
Right, here we have the next freight train. It's another Tesco one, Daventry to Tipbury. Well, it's an electric one, and it's an 88. 8806. Right, coming in now we have the 1436 London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton and Coventry. (352 37). Which is connected to 352 32. Right, here we have a 10-car Voyager set, 221114 and 221115 to Birmingham New Street from London Euston. Right, here we have 390 103 to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. And then another Avanti service. Not sure what that one's doing, and then
will be in place between Birmingham New Street, Northampton, and
I'll pause a second. Freight's still a little bit back.
Platform 3 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
Bloody hell, I've never heard a bloody horn that loud before in my life. And then there's the 350 to London from Northampton.